It's Sherry from the Auto Builder. We're here at SEMA, and I'm hanging out with Joe Granatelli, Granatelli Motorsports. I want to talk to you about the exhaust cutouts. Tell us all about them.
Okay, so what's really unique about our system is one touch open, one touch fully closed. So there's no more taxing of the gears, no more having to replace your exhaust cutout like the competition does every 3 months, because you don't know when it's fully open, and you definitely don't know when it's fully closed. Because you're like, I think my car should be louder when it's fully open, and you definitely think it should be quieter when it's fully closed. What's great about our system is you can install it in your driveway, up on a lift, or pretty much anywhere. We have it in weld-on and in slip fit. What's good about that is a lot of these kids these days, they don't know how to weld. I definitely don't know how to weld. So what I did on my Ram 1500 is I just cut 9 inches out, I clamped it on, it was ready to go in 5 minutes.
Very cool. Okay, so very simple for the end user.
Super simple.
Yeah. So your end customer, who are they?
It's really anybody who wants to take their vehicle from mild to wild. It's really just from the flip of a switch. When you see the police officer, flip it down. when they're out of your sight, flip it up, ready to rock and roll.
I like that you're willing to recommend that. I like that. Okay, so what are the different metals that you're using?
So we have it in stainless steel, we have it in mild steel. So if you're not in the elemental areas, mild steel, save yourself a couple of bucks.
Okay, excellent. All right, Jojo, thanks for talking to us here at SEMA. Where do people find Granatelli Motorsports?
You can go to granatellimotorsports.com. You can find us on Facebook and on Instagram.
Perfect. Okay, and we'll see you on the Auto Builder.